right, good morning. This is Todd Mitchell for Friday, March 14th. And let's just quickly go through VRTX. Took a small losing trade yesterday. As you recall, I went long VRTX right over here with a stop down in here. Very tight stop. I was looking to make roughly 2 times what I was looking to risk on the trade. But the market didn't follow through. Market came down and nailed me right there. So I am out completely of VRTX. Again, I bought it at 80.02 and got stopped out yesterday at 77.82. Let's go through crude oil now. As I outlined to you yesterday, let's just take a look at the actual futures contract. As I was showing you yesterday, the market has pulled down into a very interesting support zone here, right? Right into the gray action zone. We've got a tight little inside pattern. This line right here represents the 50% retracement, okay, the 50% Fibonacci retracement from beginning of January up to this year's high right here, okay? And so the market has, in fact, taken out that high, right? Yesterday's high in crude was 98.60, so a trade up to roughly 98.70 would warrant a trade to the long side with an initial catastrophic stop below the 97.55. Now, you can either trade a futures contract or you could do the USO, which is the United States Oil Fund. But that gapped higher, okay? That didn't trade through the high. That actually gapped up, okay? All right, let me show you a couple other things that I've done. I just sold one SPY put, okay, an April 14 put, just one contract a few days back, at $4.26, as you can see right here. It's traded at $5.89 right now, up on $163 on one contract. Okay, and what I also did this week, I sold puts on the SSO, right? March, today's expiration March 14. Okay, sold at a strike at $99, collected 51 cents. All right, it's at 4 cents right now. That trade is up $237 this week. And is this a small trade, 5 contracts? And I sold another SSO down at $96 with today's expiration. Collected 46 cents this week. That's worth 4 cents as well, up $210 on that one. Again, these are naked puts because I would love to own the SSO at those prices. Let me show you a chart. All right, this is the SSO, right? This is the ProShares Ultra S&P 500. Market's made a pretty big move from this year's low up to high. We've pulled back beautifully. $99 is right here. That was my first strike. Second price, $96, and that would be beautiful. That'd be right down at below the 50 exponential, but right into the gray action zone. So that's why I sold those naked puts to own it. I would love to own the SSO. So why not get paid to wait for that pullback, right? So again, what I did was I collected 51 cents and 46 cents, and they're going to expire, worthless. Remember, that money's put into your account immediately when you put that trade on, and they'll come to fruition today when they expire, absolutely worthless, okay? And then I just put another one on for next week's expiration, as you can see, March 21st expiration, right here. Just sold 3 of them to own it at $99. So I came back to, I collected 73 cents for that to own it at $99, okay? Market's selling off just a little bit now, so I'm down $21. But I collected that $73 per contract as soon as I put the trade on. So take a look at the chart. Again, I put another one on to own it right down in here. So I'll wait for the pullback. So this week, doing that, it's a simple little trade. Again, I sold those puts at a support level where I would like to own the SSO, and I collected what, for about $450, just waiting for the pullback. Okay, so those are going to go out worthless today, and then I put another one on for next Friday. Collected 73 cents for that to own it at $99. If it closes at or below $99 next Friday, the SSO, which tracks the S&P 500, it's a two times fund, index fund, I would own it right there where the white horizontal line is. Okay, hope that helps. Have a profitable day and a great weekend. Bye for now.